on Windows platform, first I'll do is to go for downloads apache.org/spark, and I'll choose the latest one, which is Spark 3.3.0. Here I'll choose the zip distribution since it is easier to unzip on Windows platform. I'll choose along with the Hadoop. Okay, since there are no zip distributions, I'll choose TZZ. Okay. Let me choose this one. I will not be needing Scala, so what I'll be choosing is Spark 3 version 3.x we call it. Then we have Hadoop version 3. So Spark 3 and Hadoop 3 we are downloading. Okay, this is .tzz and .tzz.asc and .tzz SHA512 are these two are related for checking the integrity of the distribution. So for the time being, I just click on it. You could notice here at this portion the link. So I choose it. So it is being downloaded. You can either choose this way or you can go for this spark.apache.org, and there you will be able to find more about it, and then you can choose the download portion. So you can choose the kind of releases that you have there. So we build for this one. This one I actually chose, if you see here. Okay, once I downloaded this, what I need to do is I need to extract this and keep it in a folder. So what I need to do is to keep it in a folder here. So I'll create a folder. I do not need to create any folder for the time being. So I'll go for programs, and here I can keep the Spark. So I'll choose view advanced system settings. Then I'll be keeping here, so I'll be having it as new Spark home. The variable would be, if you look into it's D programs, so D programs slash, I'm going to name the distribution as apache-spark. Okay, apache-spark. So that's all there is. And also along with that, for the path, I'll choose D programs apache-spark slash bin folder. So this build folder generally contains the executables. So when I say they are available in the path, whenever I open a command line, they will be visible. Okay. So I set the Spark home and set the path, set the Apache Spark in the path. Okay, here I have. So what I'll do is show in folder, and I extract to. What I'll do is I'll extract just here itself. I'm using 7-zip, by the way. You can choose any extracting program that you are comfortable with. So this is the distribution. So I'll keep this, I'll copy this, and then I'll paste it in programs. Paste it in programs. Yeah. It's around 317 MB. If you notice, the name is something else other than the one that I have chosen. So I'll update this. You can either keep this name as is, or you can choose it as apache-spark. I'll just name it apache-spark, but you feel free to keep it as is if you like. Okay, then I have apache-spark right now. Then I'll create a new text document here. Anyway, so I am keeping that here. Let's see what happens. So go to the D folder. I'll say apache-spark shell. Okay, you could see that it is available. Spark Web UI is also available here. Okay, you can see it here. So this is Spark. These are the Spark options. Okay, so Spark is running now on our computer. Okay, one important thing about Spark on Windows is you will be needing Hadoop Winutils, Windows utilities when you are using. So where I kept there. So I kept it in the Hadoop folder. So I created just like the Apache Spark, I created a Hadoop folder, and the build I kept this Hadoop.dll and winutils.exe. So I downloaded them from the internet. So winutils, I chose from here in Windows utilities. So here Hadoop.dll and Hadoop.exe. You can download them. So you can click on it. You can click on this one. How to download this? You can click on this one, and then you can choose download. You can do the same for the DLL. So DLL and EXE and DLL are needed. So you try to keep them on the computer. Okay. So that would solve our problems. So if you note, you can install this Apache Spark program on a D drive instead of C drive. Otherwise, you might encounter some permissions problems. So you can just create a programs folder, or just if you are only focusing on Spark, then you can create a Spark programs and all. Then inside it you can keep Spark and Hadoop, and if you need Maven also, Apache Maven also. Okay. Okay. Thanks a lot for viewing.